It's hard to find a lover in the world today. So why do you seek another? I gave all that I am, my whole life rearranged. Was I too much commitment, or were you just seeking change? Where is enough? When is enough? Oh, so you set yourself free like a house cat leaves home. So you took all I gave you and left me alone. We don't share the same pain as the memories remain. A candle lit together, thought the light would shine forever, but I'll blow out this flame. And you can say you're happy away from someone soft. Are you a sociopath, or did you shed guilt when you ripped the Band-Aid off? Why do I keep denying this? Does fate ever lie? What keeps me from crying is you never met halfway. Your friends came first in line. I held expressions in so you would smile and said I'm fine. Was that enough? What is enough? So you set yourself free like someone who's abused. Then you tarnished my name while you cheated in use. I had hope for too long that you'd change. I was wrong. A candle lit together, thought the light would shine forever, but I'll blow out this flame. It's not like things were all bad. There was a spark. Those sunny days turned so cold, and the spark couldn't fight through the dark. I thought one day you'd go back to being sweet with your warmth when I need a good cry. But you couldn't save the energy, 'cause you think that you're above me. Was it such a struggle to love me? So you set yourself free, 'cause I was passing you by. You can say you're the problem or some alibi. Yeah, you take no regret. In my dawn you'll forget. Oh, a candle lit together, thought the light would shine forever, but I'll blow out this flame.